Let's be honest, checking Brand24 every day isn't always realistic. Other tasks take priority, or sometimes there just isn't too much going on in your projects. But you never know when reputation risky comments might appear. That's why you set up notifications. That's a smart move. They'll reach you where you already work, like your email, MS Teams, or Slack.
First, decide what kind of mentions you want to be notified about. Do you need to see everything, or just the most important ones? Head over to the Mentions tab and set up filters. For example, you can choose only negative mentions with a high influence score, say 7 or more. Once you've got the right setup, name the filter and save it. You can do this for any project you want to monitor. Or, if you'd rather not filter anything, leave your projects as they are and it will send you notifications about all new mentions. Now, let's set up email notifications. Go to Project Settings, then the Notifications tab. Choose the project you want to receive alerts for. If you're the one who should get the emails, just select your address. If you need to notify others, make sure they're added as users in your account first. Then you can assign them as recipients. Decide how often you want to be notified. Apply any filters you set earlier. And choose where you want alerts sent after a certain number of mentions pile up. You can also opt to receive them via email or the Brand24 mobile app. To set up Slack notifications, open your Brand24 project and click Add Slack Notification. Then, click the button next to the Slack option to start the integration. Choose the project you want to monitor and, optionally, select a filter to narrow down the mentions. Click Connect and sign in to your Slack workspace. Once connected, pick the Slack channel where you'd like to receive notifications. You can create a new channel in Slack beforehand, public or private, depending on who should have access. That's it. You'll start getting real-time updates, and you can always adjust the settings later if needed. To set up Microsoft Teams notifications, start in Teams by going to Apps, searching for Workflows, and selecting Posts to a channel when a webhook request is received. Name your workflow, choose the team and channel you want to send notifications to, and click Add Workflow. Copy the webhook URL shown on the screen. Then, head to Brand24, open Notifications, and click Add Teams Notifications. Paste the URL, pick the project you want to monitor, and optionally, select a filter to narrow down the mentions. Click Connect, and you're all set. Mentions will start showing up in the Teams channel you choose.
Keep in mind, one workflow equals one channel. To send alerts to multiple channels, you'll need to repeat the process for each. And that's how you set up notifications in Brand24. Now you'll never miss an important mention, no matter how busy your day gets.